Hello guys, this is iOS Pro Hacker. In today's video, I will show you how to recover deleted data from your iPhone. Sometimes we accidentally delete important photos, videos, contacts, messages, notes, WhatsApp chats, or other important files from our iPhone. And sometimes data can be lost after resetting the iPhone, restoring the device, iOS update failure, device lock, or other unexpected problems. So if your iPhone data is deleted or missing, this video is for you. Before we start, one important thing. Data recovery is never 100% guaranteed. If the deleted data has already been overwritten by new data, it may not be recoverable. So if you lost important data, stop using the iPhone as much as possible and try recovery quickly. Now let's start the tutorial. For this method, you need a computer. So we will use a Windows, PC, or Mac. Now open your browser and go to the official Wondershare Dr.Fone data recovery page. Dr.Fone data recovery for iOS is designed to help recover different types of iPhone data, including photos, videos, contacts, Safari bookmarks, and more. It can help in different data loss situations like accidental deletion, iPhone reset, iOS update problem, or data missing after restore. You will find the download link in the video description. After the download is complete, open the setup file and install the software. Once the installation is complete, open Wondershare Dr.Fone. Now connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Unlock your iPhone if possible. If you see the message, trust this computer on your iPhone, tap Trust and enter your iPhone passcode. Now wait for the software to detect your device. Once the iPhone is detected, go to the data recovery option. Now select iOS because we are recovering data from an iPhone. Here you will see different recovery options. The first option is recover data from iOS device. This option scans your connected iPhone directly. The second option is recover data from iCloud. This option helps you scan and recover data from your iCloud backup or iCloud synced data. The third option is recover data from iTunes backup. This option helps you scan old iTunes backups saved on your computer and recover selected files from those backups. Now let's start with recover data from iOS device. Click on this option. Now Dr.Fone will show different data types that you can scan. Once the scan is complete, Dr.Fone will show the recoverable data on the screen. You can now preview the files before recovering them. This is very useful because you can check the photos, videos, contacts, messages, notes, or other files and select only the data you actually need. For example, here you can open the camera, roll, or photos section. You can preview the available photos. Select the photos you want to recover. Now you will see recovery options. You can choose recover to computer or recover to device. Recover to computer means the selected files will be saved on your computer. Recover to device means the selected files will be restored back to your iPhone if that data type supports device restore. In most cases, I recommend first recovering important files to the computer. This way, you can keep a safe copy on your PC or Mac. So select the files, click recover to computer, choose a folder, and save the recovered data. This is how you can recover deleted or missing iPhone data directly from the device. Now let's look at the second method, recover data from iCloud. Go back to the data recovery section and choose recover data from iCloud. Now sign in with your Apple ID. After signing in, Dr.Fone can show available iCloud data or iCloud backups depending on your account and backup settings. This method is very helpful if your iPhone was reset, lost, damaged, or if the data is no longer available on the device but still exists in your iCloud backup. Now let's look at the third method, recover data from iTunes backup. This is also very useful. Many users connect their iPhone to a computer, and sometimes iTunes or Finder creates a backup automatically or manually. If you have an old iTunes backup on your computer, Dr.Fone can scan that backup and show you the data inside it. After scanning the iTunes backup, you can preview the files inside. You may find photos, videos, contacts, messages, notes, WhatsApp data, Safari bookmarks, call history, and other data depending on what was included in that backup. Now select the files you want to recover, then click Recover to Computer or Recover to Device. This method is very helpful if your iPhone was erased, restored, broken, or replaced, but you still have an old backup saved on your computer. Now let's talk about WhatsApp data. Dr.Fone can also help with WhatsApp data recovery in supported situations. If your WhatsApp chats were deleted, you can check the WhatsApp recovery section and scan available device data. Now, there is one very important point I want to explain. Dr.Fone is a paid software, but the useful thing is that you can scan and preview first. So, before purchasing, run the scan. Check whether your missing data appears in the scan result. If the data is shown and it is important for you, then you can decide to purchase and recover it. But if the scan does not show your deleted data, then do not purchase only by guessing. First scan, preview, and then decide. This is a very important tip. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to iOS Pro Hacker, and press the bell icon for more iPhone tutorials, iOS fixes, data recovery guides, and software reviews. Thanks for watching. This is iOS Pro Hacker, and I'll see you in the next video.